Hey YouTube, I'm gonna give up on I Became a Dog because I'm not really a story guy, and it always takes me so long because I'm trying to use the software on my computer to uh, edit videos, but it sucks because I have a Chromebook, which is really bad at everything because you can't download anything on it. You can't download a single thing at all. It has to be from the Play Store. Excuse my burping. Ooh. But it has to be from the Play Store, which is really dumb. But, anyways, let's get here. I'm going to give up on that, and I'm going to find another game for you guys. Maybe more something around this generation. Maybe not like years ago, maybe. I guess. Okay. Okay. See you guys later. Also subscribe, please. I need it.